Here you are, again, looking at these things, and you want to know what's inside them. I don't feel like moving them. I'm in photo mode, and I come here, I can click on the QR code and say, hey, what's in there? And I have all of my stuff in a little Dropbox folder, and looky there, I have photos of what's inside. And this particular one does not have the text list summary I thought it would have, but that's okay. How about I take another one down here at the bottom? I have... What's in here? Oh, look, wood. And there's inventory. Let's see what the inventory is. Let's open in Preview in Dropbox. Bin 11, hardwood lumber blocks. Okay, so I didn't write these descriptions. I used Microsoft Copilot. I took a bunch of photos. I was able to dump them in, and it wrote code that had Python generate stuff into PDFs, because apparently on your computer, Copilot won't look at images, it will only look at PDFs. On your phone, it'll look at images just fine. Doesn't make any sense to me, but that's okay. Let's do another bin. I have another one hiding over here because I don't want to move everything. And I can grab that QR code. And looky there, I had this photo right here. Let's open it. Open a new tab. So you can see I have a bunch of sockets. Inventory, made by AI. Let's open a new tab. Okay, deep sockets, assorted size, mixed sizes, imperial. Because you're able to see that they're not metric when it scanned them. That is pretty cool. And it is free, and you don't need to spend money on ToteScan. You just buy whatever labels you want to print on, tell it the format, and it will work. I can follow up making that happen later in a video, but there you have it. Oh, stupid finger. So when I told Copilot that I wanted to sort, I was making folders, individual folders, one at a time. I was using Adobe Express, and I was creating QR codes, and I thought that was stupid. There's got to be a better way. So I asked Copilot, I said, hey, make me a bunch of folders, stick them here. And I earlier had them, through 150, so I was able to make it 150, or sorry, 151, make it 152 to 300. You can change your own limits or update it. It stuck them in a folder that didn't make sense, so I had them write another code to move them to a different folder. And then what I went in is I wanted them printed. I bought labels, they're premium label supply labels from Amazon, and I labeled what it was, and it came through, and it modified a few things. I had them print the label on top. I had them, put a few things on the label. And then I went through and I started sticking items in the box, taking photos. And then I was like, okay, now I want this to be searchable. I mean, is that asking too much? I want to know what's in the box without having to do it. So if I'm looking for sockets, I can search my Dropbox folder for sockets, but nothing would come up if I just had photos. So I had it print the photos to a PDF, but the PDF was too large to stick back into Copilot and have it read and give me an inventory. So I had it reduce the size to the maximum that Copilot could do, and then it spat out an inventory. Bin 1, pocket hole joinery. Bin 2, clamps, casters, caulking, workshop accessories. Don't know why those are all mixed, but it blended a few things here. But this didn't help because this would have been a catch-all in a folder. I wanted an individual inventory. I wanted this, and I wanted this saved as a file. And so what I did is we worked getting the code set to Python. Again, Copilot did this, where it took the first inventory item it gave me, I cut and paste, dumped it into here, and it went ahead and exported the individual inventory that I needed. What it's going to work for you, how your folder structure is going to work is entirely different. If you want some of this code, let me know and I'll send it. But again, you just ask Copilot or your AI of choice, or do it by hand. All you have to do with is buy labels or paper and then tape them. You don't even buy labels if you want to just use 8.5 by 11 and cut it and stick it on. There you go. Save you some money.